the original gauges for 61, 62. I have a 62. Got the Dakota DTX series that's going to get installed now. I like how the gauges look really similar to the original. Yeah. All right, I got my Dakota Digital Dash RTX installed. It's the RTS series. So here it is right here, already installed. It looks a lot like the original. I'm very happy with it. Here's the installation and operation manual it came with, the setup guide, and then they also give you this pretty cool, it's a quick start guide, and that was pretty helpful too. All right, I'll start it up right now. Here we go. So there it is. You could go through a bunch of different colors. I chose this like white. That's for my daytime. And then if you see what my headlights are right here, when I hit that switch, I chose this color for nighttime driving with my headlights on. It may look a little blue in the video, but it's like a teal color. Actually, you know what? I can show you guys the demo mode. Let's go through that right now. I have to turn it off to do it. But as you can see, I got my speedometer, temp right here, RPM, and my fuel. I also have my battery up there under the speedometer, and on the right side is my oil pressure. And then in that corner right there, that's my time. I actually have a compass right there that says north, and then also has the temperature right there. It says -40. I called up Dakota Digital and I told them about that. I said there's no way in hell it's -40 in California, and they're sending me a new temp sensor for that for free. So they're really good about that. All right, I think to get to the demo mode I need to turn it off, so we'll restart it. I'll turn off my headlights back to white. It's a little bit brighter for daytime running. Also, there's a switch that you install. It's like a button 1 and button 2. And I just hit it under the dash, right under here. And if you hit it, you'll go through the different screens. Like you see right now, it's showing me my range, my trip on this side. On this side, showing me service and the timer. I'm not sure what that timer is. I wonder if it's run time. I hit it again. See that now? It's water temperature, oil pressure, battery voltage, and my fuel's at 89%. Hit it again. My 0 to 60 is 25 seconds. Haven't even taken this thing on the freeway yet. High miles per hour right now is 40. Like I said, just installed, hasn't been on the freeway. On this side you got the 1/4 mile, and below that is the 1/8 mile. And then let's see, back to the main screen. So I have like 3 different screens to choose from. And this thing's totally customizable. You can change it any color you want. It could be, you know, white, teal, red. I'll show you on the demo right now. So let me kill it. And I think I have to, what do I gotta do? I gotta hold a button. Let me try to figure this shit out. All right, see how it says setup? I gotta scroll to demo mode right there, and I hold number 2. Okay, then I hit begin. All right, here's a demo mode. So it's kind of, you see the gauges moving around, you're seeing all the different colors. All right, so now let me turn this off. Okay, so now it's letting me go through all the colors. So we have this color, green, like white, blue. This is like a yellow. This is like a brighter white. I'm not sure if you can tell. Teal, white. I think I went through all of them already. No, there's actually a different shade of green right here. Anyways, you get the picture. All right, this thing's ready to cruise.